Hello everyone, if you can't play Call of Duty Black Ops 7 with the PC Game Pass version, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to play Black Ops 7 when you keep getting this Game Pass version error easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here wsreset.exe. So what that does is that resets your Microsoft Store. And now what you're going to do is you're going to log in to your Microsoft Store account and then just download the game from here instead of playing it from the Xbox app or something. You'll have the game here if you've bought it on Xbox, and then you can just download it and play it from the Microsoft Store instead of the Game Pass. And then you'll see that you'll be able to play Call of Duty Black Ops 7. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.